always were an independent musician.
Yes,
You,
always.
you never want to do films and all that stuff, but of course, हम जो चाहते हैं वो होता नहीं है,
वो
और जो होता है वो हम चाहते नहीं है.
Correct.
ऐसा भी होता है.
Correct.
I'm so grateful once again, Amit, you're back on Bhumi.
Yes.
And I can't be so, I mean, I can't tell you my happiness because I remember मैं पहली बार जब आपसे मावड़ी शेयर किया था, तो आपने मुझे मैसेज करके बोला, सलीम, I'm so happy and I want to pitch myself for Bhumi 24.
Yes, I told. Yes,
You sent me that message.
That was manifested back
It
then.
really touched my heart. I felt so good because, you know, Amit, you said it, of course, you said it in a very genuine way with all your heart. And it made me feel so happy that, like, you know, I'm so happy that you loved it. You
Yes.
loved your experience. And you just said it, you know, out of your happiness. और मैंने कहा कि यार, of course, Amit is being so gracious, you know, but I can't go back to him again for Bhumi 24. It'll be too, you know, unless I feel like, you know, that we really are stuck, that I could like catch Amit. But I thought it'll be great if, you know, something happens and the universe brings a song.
Absolutely.
And that's exactly what happened.
What happened? How it happened? It's crazy. And I had obviously manifested it back then with you.
Sure.
So somewhere universe felt करा देता है इस तरह से कैसे तो भी तिगड़म हुआ और दिया गया.
वो तुम्हारी अच्छाई है, वो आपकी अच्छाई है, वो आपकी मतलब that's your greatness, that's your graciousness, that you felt so good about being a part of Bhumi again. मैंने ये project ऐसे कुछ, I've never started it as for a commercial thing. It was always meant to be an artistic platform, and you have always been very supportive. You were supportive last season. You're supportive, very supportive this season.
Anytime. We are artists for the artists.
No, really. And what you're doing for music, I know that मैंने पूरा आपका podcast देखा था, and I know that you always were an independent musician.
Yes, always.
You never want to do films and all that stuff, but of course, हम जो चाहते हैं वो होता नहीं है, और जो होता है वो हम चाहते नहीं है.
Correct.
ऐसा भी होता है.
Correct.
So there's a lot of
by accident हो गया वो. The film happened by accident. It was not in the क्या कहते हैं उसे, in the vision of my उस था नहीं उस zone. It just happened. And I went along.
Yeah.
I just went along.
But I'm so glad you started 80 Azad and you did such great music on that. The पहला वाला ही आपका बड़ा एक सिक्सर हो गया था, मोती गिराना. जो you know, मेरी हमेशा आपसे whenever I work with you, I always have like, यार, Amit, the way he does 6/8 ना. और best part is this song also.
Oh yes, this is to 6/8.
So I heard this song and I'm like, wow, man, I can't believe, because Mavdi was also 6/8.
Yeah.
Mavdi was 6/8.
Yes.
And this song, when I heard it, I'm like, oh, so unexpected. Firstly, your vocals are sounding so good. I mean, I've always seen you as a singer-songwriter. When you sing your own songs, you just sound amazing. I know you sang a song with MM Cream as well.
Yes.
Your voice sounded really good. But खासकर इस गाने में, the first time when you hear your voice, no, एक पूरा भर जाता है. Spectrum पूरा भर जाता है.
Actually, I really would like to credit this whole thing to these boys because they just came.
Taylor and Alon.
Taylyor, Ollie and
Alon, yeah.
Alon and one more guy, I forgot his name.
Michael,
yeah. All three just came. They had such beautiful energy.
Huh.
Young boys, absolutely enthusiastic and, you know, completely exuberant, happy, very happy vibe. Pata nahi, he just said, Amit, what would you like to do? And I was like, what would I like to do? Let me think. So I don't know why I thought of 6/8 with these guys. Like Americans, I have never heard Americans and 6/8. It doesn't go that well. Rarely have heard songs in American pop with 6/8. Let's experiment. Would you like to experiment with 6/8? That 6/8 is something that belongs to more to us. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's a genre.
You know something? It's right. I'll tell you why. 6/8 is more like popular in places where there's the sun. So it's a very tropical beat. Africa has it, and India has it. The Gulf has it. Middle Eastern areas have it, and it's there in Latin America also, in Cuban music. There's a lot
very
of
little. I would say
Morocco has it, but 6/8 is where the sun is.
But then, if you see in India itself, whether it's Gujarati folk,
South Indian,
Northeast,
Durga
Puja, Northeast. Actually, majority
भाई हमारा जो festivals है ना, वो सब 6/8
है पूरा.
आप गणेशा देख लो, नवरात्रि देख लो, दुर्गा पूजा देख लो, सब
can't
6-8 है।
do without India cannot do without 6-8.
और साउथ में तो 6-8 तो भर भर के आता है, मतलब,
Absolutely, absolutely.
You know?
तो वो
और
तो
चाहे वो लावणी हो या कोई भी बीट हो,
even Marathi, yeah, it's Marathi.
सब में 6-8 ही है।
Absolutely.
इवन उत्तराखंडी जो पहाड़ी जो म्यूजिक है, उसमें पहाड़ी में भी 6-8
भी
होता है,
उसमें भी।
हिमाचली में भी बहुत से
Absolutely.
6-8 उसमें।
So it's like so. I thought it was so core to our Indian folk.
Truly,
So I
very
thought,
great choice.
let's see. He asked me what you would like to do. I would like to do folk. What I am good at. No, but I
Perfect.
would like to bring what I could be better at, rather than trying to be something which I'm not.
And so you started singing this melody.
So I just started. What is it? Chunnari? So they liked it. They loved it, and they said, "Okay, let's jam on it." And then we started jamming, and tuck within few hours we're like this song was done.
बहुत फास्ट करते हैं लोग काम ना।
बहुत fast. It's like 2-3 घंटे में 3-4 घंटे में we were like done and out.
Yeah. और ये भी टेलर भी बहुत फास्ट लिखता है,
बहुत fast लिखता है,
writes
बहुत
English hooks very quickly and stuff.
It's amazing is that the team effort, the collaborative effort is so kick-ass, so crazy. I just told him the tune, this is the vibe, this is adapted it. The producer was sitting right there, उसने सब setup किया था, just adapted, gone. इधर से ideas flow हो रहे, वहाँ से ideas flow हो रहे।
3-4 घंटे में, 5 घंटे में,
3-4 घंटे में, full song was laid down with lyrics, with lyrics के साथ।
कमाल है यार।
Lyrics, of course, I had no lyric writer, so I and my manager Naveen,
Oh,
वो
nice.
तो हम लोग ने लिख दिया हिंदी portion, the Hindi will take care of you guys.
Do English.
So they were in one room, 2 corners, one English is happening, writing, and one Hindi is happening. So it was really fascinating.
What a process, yeah. What a great process. But honestly, Amit, the track sounds so amazing. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks to
Your voice
these guys.
sounds great. The melody is so beautiful. It has such a great celebration vibe. Yeah.
You know these. I am still surprised how I am sounding this. These are all 1 or 2 takes, either one first take or second take, or max to max third of all the singing.
इसका vocal chain बड़ा कमाल का है।
हाँ मतलब, and I'm like, otherwise you to make it, you have this thing of every artist has this thing, better it, we keep giving takes. This is 1, 2, 3 उतने ही takes है, ज़्यादा किया ही नहीं, because these guys have worked so fast कि सोचने का भी मौका नहीं देते।
नहीं, but वो लोग का ये लोग का सेटअप बहुत कमाल का है। अलॉन का जो वोकल चेन है ना, बहुत बढ़िया है। उसमें मतलब वो सब जो जितनी भी खामियां है ना, वो भी सब ठीक हो जाती है।
It's why I am just surprised. Wow, I'm sounding so great.
But you are sounding really good.
Yeah,
by the way. इसका that reminds me, इसका vocal chain में लेता हूँ उससे।
लेना चाहिए नहीं?
बहुत अच्छा है।
बहुत कमाल।
But I think वो देगा नहीं अलॉन। पूछते उसको। Let's see. We'll ask him. No, but Amit, thank you so much. This is the second time, and I hope ये हमारा रिश्ता continue होता रहे।
Absolutely, bro.
And I am saying this in public. I'm not just saying it to you. That I would love to work with you for 80 Azad.
Oh, that's great. That'll be great.
No, honestly, I would love to do a collaboration, anything, whether you want me to collaborate with you or even without you for 80 Azad, it's totally cool. I'd be happy
Absolutely
to.
Fine. Absolutely.
And I think, you and me we should create a great feeling for musicians. It's, it's like everyone can coexist. Music is about collaboration.
Absolutely.
I always keep saying this, that there's no music business without music.
Without music. That's very well said.
That's true. Of course, you've done so many movies, you've done so many songs on your own. But when collaborations happen, there's a certain kind of joy, love, and respect that builds. Yeah.
So that I had told you also that when this had come to me, I thought I'll do it for myself. Because पूरा आप देखोगे ना, मेरा 80 Azad का कैलेंडर देखोगे ना, कुछ नहीं, पूरा साल खाली रहता है, पूरा साल कुछ नहीं रिलीज करते, hardly 1 or 2 things. So and then I get complaints from the distributors and all these people. Sir, you can't keep the channel empty and you can't keep empty, keep releasing. मेरा भाई, I don't know, मेरा दिमाग, you at least acquire from people. You have artists, take so many artists, collaborate with them. Their songs you take, acquire. मेरे वो सब प्रोसेस शुरू नहीं, मुझे आता ही नहीं, because I don't even have the knack of understanding. I tried also बीच में, मैंने 1-2 चीज try भी की, but it did not work honestly with me. Now it boiled down to me creating. Now फिर me creating, मैं फिर वो एक ही एल्बम कर पाता हूँ साल में, मैं चलो 8-10-12 गाना जो भी हो.
But really, you're making such great non-film music as well. Apart from your film stuff, your non-film music has some cool sonic elements
Thanks,
and
man.
great melodies. Your last album had all the songs, had something unique in it. You know, I had one listening of all the songs. I really enjoyed it.
Thank you
When
so
you were
much, man.
promoting at the social, पूरा आप जब मुंबई में,
Through social work.
sorry, all over India, you
All
were
over
you
India,
doing,
we had
you were
gone
doing a
to
social
promote
this thing.
and all that.
I at that time I got a chance to listen to all your
All
songs
your album.
when it was all released, and I just loved it. So your album Azad collab, let's talk about it.
Yeah, so as I said, खाली पूरा कैलेंडर पूरा साल जैन से लेकर अब तक 8 महीने हो गए कुछ नहीं किया. तो मैं बोला, एंड आई टोल्ड इट टेक्स टाइम, मेरे को थोड़ा वक्त लगता है, स्लो कोलैब. तो आजाद कोलैब कर रहे.
That's a great title, Azad collab.
Azad
Simple
Simple.
and to the point.
And to the point. Yeah.
So different artists.
Different artists collaborating with some. I'm not singing much. एक आध दो तीन गाने ज़्यादा 3-4 गाने ही है. टोटल 12-13 गाने होंगे उसमें.
Superb.
But mostly it's all the artists. I also discovered they were mentioning about you also, Khan brothers.
Yeah.
So they were
nice.
part of
They're nice
collab.
guys. Yeah.
They're very nice guys.
Nice guys.
Young,
बहुत अच्छा गाते हैं.
chaps,
अच्छी आवाज है उनकी.
beautiful voice है, nice texture.
Yeah.
तो वो है और अपने फरीदी ब्रदर्स जो है.
Oh yes.
उनके साथ है. रेस्ट इज अपने यूजुअल सस्पेक्ट्स जो है, जो आपके साथ भी है, वही सब. नीति है, असीस है, ऑल द अमेजिंग आर्टिस्ट दैट वी हैव.
Brilliant यार.
Yeah.
Please मुझे भी शामिल कर दो.
100% सर, 100%. इसमें
Yeah.
कोई शक, maybe not this season, coming season.
Absolutely. My invitation is always open for this season, for next season, and for the coming season.
Thank you.
It's always there. It's always there.
Thank you.
I'm so I feel like that there is a certain synergy between
Absolutely.
us. I remember I've spoken about this before. हमारी बात हुई थी about Dave D when you had first done it, and you had come to the studio to play it, and that's when I felt like, my God, this guy has got some amazing, amazing talent. And then obviously जो होना था वो हुआ. You got recognized for your first album, and it did so well. Then you did even better music coming on, different other films. It's an ongoing process, and Amit, you have really brought in a very cool attitude and frequency in the music scene in India. So, thanks to you that there are a lot of people who are trying different experiments and are inspired by you.
Thank you.
And
So
doing
much.
amazing things. I know that your Indradhanush is making a lot of noise. It's bringing a lot of happiness to the fans. With all the cool music that you're doing on stage.
Thanks.
And I really hope to witness one day.
Please come. Please.
मैंने खाली Instagram पे किसी clips देखी है. And I'm hoping that one day my date will be like.
Tushar,
you'll be,
note this.
No. I was going to come in Nesco if I wasn't busy. Yeah.
You were traveling?
I was traveling.
Oh.
We had a show that day. Otherwise, I would have come.
Sir,
Show or something we had, or we were coming back from somewhere or something. Because I know Aslam and Hanif playing with you.
Yes.
I know.
Oh,
Yeah,
please come next time.
Oh no. So he wasn't at our show. Correct. He was playing at your show.
Yeah, in
Nesco में.
No,
Yeah.
so
नहीं मुंबई में तो मैं 100% में आऊंगा ही. I'm very grateful you came for my show at the Zaria concert.
at Zaria concert, it was so beautiful.
Yeah.
It was so amazing.
And I'm looking forward to. You don't even have to tell me. I'm looking for. I see your Instagram and I know you're performing, so I know.
Done. No. I'll personally invite you. I will definitely.
You don't need to.
Arey.
I'll come. मैं बड़ा इस मामले में बड़ा वो. I just pop in here.
No. But still, I would love to.
No, I mean,
have you on board.
I like I said, you have a free invitation from me in terms of anytime calling me for a song or whatever.
Done.
I would love to.
That's taken. Next season.
I think we should do a song together where you and me sing.
That's about it. Yeah.
Because what happens is, sometimes we talk about collaborations as music composers, but it'd be great if we also sing together.
Absolutely. Let's do that. Let me think about on those lines.
Yeah.
Let me think on
And I'm game.
Done.
Whatever. Or maybe I'll probably take the liberty to write a song and call you to sing.
Whatever. I'm game for anything. Absolutely fantastic.
Thank you, Amit. It's always a pleasure being with you. There's a little something from us.
Thank you so much.
It's a brand called Moha. They make Ayurvedic products for us.
I think I've been using this.
It's some great stuff. I use it too.
Great stuff.
I use it too. Thank you, Moha.
Great stuff.